Speak my mind family, afternoon. Afternoon. Me have to dress in a beard from weak people cause it's danger. Danger. Peer serious things out here going. A joke them around. Joke can't so serious. A joke them around. Joke can't so serious. Danger. People. The unregistered charter. The unregistered charity continues. And you don't know the Ministry of Unregistered Charity Tell Lie Camp is out again. And the thing is, they are out and one of their former member. Hip hooray, me say hip hooray. Hip hooray, me say hip hooray. Anyway, speak my mind family, wanna know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up on the video and please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. If you have subscribed to this channel and you have not yet subscribed to that channel, I'm asking you please to go over there and subscribe to that channel. Me need to start get some encouragement to push out some more content over there. Yeah man. Me need to get some encouragement when me go and see and say, alright, me go do a sea adventure. And when me go a seaside, no boat not there. And me just jump on one piece of raft and go to sea because what? Content me have to carry come go no. Content you know have to get because you know sit down and wait upon it. So if you not subscribe yet, please and thanks, go subscribe. Life is a Mission TV and show the same love and support over there like over here. You understand? Like up the video them, watch the ads, comment, you know, share the videos them. You know what they do, you know. Just hit the thumbs up, man. Alright. Anyway, people, one piece of tag and war going out there in a social media. One a farmer, a rama, one a member, a slender. But this little charity business for the past week and had with these students coming like it getting deeper and deeper. I've not got the video yet. We are here, Lorraine, on our platform reaching out to the school. I've not seen that video as yet. I'm still waiting on it. But I got this one where T-Girl is concerned, coming out, trying to explain to the public what they must look out for, you know, because Lorraine tried to reach out to the principal and teachers of the school and trying to get them to say what she want them to say, you understand, on her life so she can have it as record to say the teacher did say or the principal did say. And honestly, we know this is how Larry the Lizard go around. We know honestly that is how Larry the Lizard go around and try to manipulate people to say things that she can record them, you know, to say she have proof. And what she do, she try to bring what she want to bring across in her way just to get the person to say, yeah man, the leaf green. When the person didn't realize what their hands are into, but she just carry the message across for the person say yes, the leaf green. So she can't say yes, she have it as recording, say the person did say. So we know this with her. But at the same time, as me say, there is question signs about what T-Girl is doing. Not in a sense where helping these two kids is not legit. But T-Girl is not doing this and doing it in the way where she come talk about other people where transparency is concerned. You're dodging T-Girl. And what you have come out on your platform and show is no proof of saying, okay, yes, you're transparent. And I said something in my previous video and I come across something on Entertainment Buzz. And Entertainment Buzz TV has said actually what I was saying in that video. Make I read a little sketch before I get into the actual video. Alright, this is it. Entertainment Buzz right here. Tina, that receipt for your charity is not transparent. Where is the breakdown of who sent the money? Okay, you mentioned proudly that your receipts are not handwritten. unwritten, because in my previous video, you may say she had talked about 99 unwritten and white envelope and one bag of seed. That your receipt are not unwritten, but those unwritten papers were evidence of who paid and how much, even if they have an alias name. So basically, she entertained was are telling her that those unwritten receipt that she are speaking of, with 99, they have evidence even if his alias name used, because all know and everybody want them name out there for one reason or the other. So entertainment boys are asking, where is your transparency? You can talk. You understand? So basically she just a chat off her mouth when she come on our platform. But this is actually the same thing when me I say. She a criticized 99 unwritten, say those things are not, legitimate then. Put it that way. But the computer thing are, no, is what you put in the computer is what you get out, So if you get your paper receipt and you get your whatsoever, letterhead can easily attain computer world we are living in. You can get a letterhead, do the necessary needs, because as remember, you say you're Jamaican and you know the ropes and you know what can do from what can't do. And you do so boom boom and you get a letterhead of paper or a letterhead of cash up or the bank whatsoever, ray. And then now you're going in and you type in, you want to type in and come and show the public. We are going to believe because we're going to see letterhead and we are sorry, but it's not authentic. Because you got somebody who knows computer who can take that letterhead, scan it, put it on a different piece of paper and do the necessary fraud. So nobody come talk about computer transparent. Unwritten more transparent, because at the same time you know say yes, this was unwritten by Dana Marigo, this was unwritten by Paula, this was unwritten by such that way. And if there's a blunder, they have to come tell you all the blunder go, where the mistake make. Which they always do if something like that occur. Alright? Anyway, listener come out because she come out swinging, because she want to clear the hair. Because based on the video what she have comment on, I have not seen that video as yet. Can't wait to see it. Who have it, just send it, come give me. Because I stole both of what she name only boss. I was sitting on another page and I can't find that video. And I search our original page and I can't find it either. So I don't know if it take down or whatever, or me I stroll past it and I realize I hit that. So I wanna send it come if you don't have it. But listen, Tina, yes sir.
You something in reference to
Y'all come out
other
in
things.
defense.
I'm back, guys.
You don't know when that sound not tear down other people, that's how it feel. You don't go on like a blood, I want alone blood run through and a water run through anybody else. I saw tear down feel. I'm glad I want to own a tear on down.
Alright, I'm back. Let me put out something out there on social media.
Clear, just in case run come and clear our name,
out there for social media. So I'm waiting on the live to build up a little bit more. So let me just clear the air about certain things. Let me just clear the air. I found this out after getting off the live a while ago. So, as I said, Lorraine Campbell picked up the phone and called the school. Lorraine Campbell and friends.
Yeah, man. I do sound own medicine.
Contacted the school, and she wanted a teacher. Lorraine Campbell was trying to get a teacher to come on live. Lorraine Campbell wanted a teacher to go live with her. I'm not going to say the teacher's
reaches
name,
you, reaches me. I do say your own medicine.
Swallow. In an attempt
for a long
for
time,
the
yeah,
teacher
swallow.
to go live with her.
When you do over there play your part, you never know so I saw it feel over 99. You never know I saw it feel over 99 when you over there play your part.
Alright, are you guys listening?
Do sound no one medicine, man.
So,
all it more medicine they have to issue out.
Just in case you hear anything over on that woman's page, I'm going to tell you something.
Put them on them guardians.
Lorraine Campbell
clear your name.
In an attempt to have a teacher come live on her page. Yes. No, she wanted
Stop counting your words, man. Be
Lorraine
fluent.
Campbell
Stop counting your
wanted
words and
the
be fluent.
teacher to confirm with her that this is a scam. Let me break it down again. Lorraine Campbell wanted.
Alright. People, honestly, I have come to the conclusion. It's not a scam. It is not a scam. But it is used, she's using it for also our own gains and our own benefit. And when I say this, these kids, 2 kids, each one need $1,200, that is $2,400. At no time this girl or gal, I got no so she reach 2,400 or say even 2,500 and stop. Come out publicly like how would I say 99 come out publicly when she said she want X and it reach, she say, alright, me now collect no more. Stop now, stop now, stop now. Some might already done in the process, so it might go over, but you try to stop the people them from send. This girl now go stop. You understand? She not going to stop. And it is so easy to find out you're unfair, in this situation and scenario. It is very easy, You see, after you done collect this $1,200, what some people can do, is still send you money on behalf of this $1,200 situation with these kids. And when it appears in your Cash App, your Zelle, or your Pell, we see if it's going to come out bold on your platform and said, come on, I see people still sending money for these kids, and over 2-3 days now I've stopped collecting, so I'm going to resend back your money. Then you can come out come say, yes, you're honest. And you should even give them your idea. Yeah? You understand? Because you just do it upon a one-off and then come out pretend like you're honest. But people still can't find out how honest this girl is, because me can't tell you she now just do this for the kids. You see, after me hear she say, oh, you mean if the mother offer me a drink, I will take it, I'm going to take it. Oh, you're going to take something from somebody when I have nothing, basically. If the parents come out and say gratitude is a must and say thank you, Tina, thank you, and even offer you a beer, you have to refuse that. And that's why I'm telling you, you can't size up with 99. You can't size up from, how can you just help a needy person? And that needy person turn on and offer you something and you take it out of what you give them. And remember now, the parents say it's not just $1,200, but $1,200 probably is the earmark for like cover certain main expense where like travel arrangement and probably hotel stay and transportation. But probably they might need another little pocket money in them pocket. So if you even get the $1,200 and you take back a $20 or a $30 out of that after being offered it, come on. Sin for the upon you. Sin for the upon you. And you say you willingly would accept it. Oh, you mean I'm going to accept it? Wait. To show you how hungry you is. And that's why I know say, if the money run over the amount, you're going to hide that. Because the parents don't want to know say the $1,200 raise, From them get the $1,200, Them no business about no more receipt and print out from PayPal, Zelle, Zelle, or Tel, Cash App, Dash App, or Wash App, Them don't want to know say them get where them they required, While you still get half of the kids' name, And now come tell the public, Unless the public come say, but wait, these kids get the required amount after 2 days and I still send my money and she accepted, and 4, 5, 6 more somebody come out. At them time they know, we are going to know say, you're a thief. You understand what I say to you? But away from that, we all know, probably our next year still I collect money for them.
The teacher to confirm with her that it's a scam. She wanted a teacher to come on record on her phone and talk on her live to say that it's a scam. That's what Lorraine Campbell wanted this teacher to do. Let me repeat.
All that are not new.
Lorraine Campbell,
when you join with her, that she the people tell people if it come out for record, come talk things about 99.
Right? Call the school.
So it's nothing new.
Telling the school.
You know exactly who she is.
The fact of the matter is the school letters out there. The letters that were out there with the teachers, with the student's name, that's what the school have an issue with. The other kids' names out there. That's all. The school is not against the students. The school is not against the mother seeking assistance for her daughter. The school is only not okay with the letters that are out there with the other students' name. It's like a privacy issue, which I totally understand. That's the only issue the school has. The school have an issue with the privacy issue with the other kids' names out there. That's the only situation. That's the only issue the school have with the letters. But it is a legit cause. The mothers.
You should count already them people. Me and uno know say 99. If 99 it ever do something like this and publish these kids' name unauthorized, oh, them would have run out. Who? And trying to get to parents and get to who forget to and influence them to make lawyer write 99 and talk about lawsuit. But in this case, she never say it wasn't appropriate to publish the other kid's name who their parents never reach out to you. You is educated. You have a lot of knowledge according to you. You understand courthouse system and the law. When you get that letter, why didn't you blank out those kids' name or mark out those kids' name? Because okay, the letter is to prove a point, but at the same time, when you look, you see 3, 4, 5, 6 kids' name on the letter. You see 3, 4, 5 kids' name on the letter. Why didn't you mark the kids' name out of it? And those kids did not, parents did not contact you. But if 99 they do something like that, you would have under one of the biggest problems would have start come. How do you know the parents who come on the platform come influence by uttering lawsuit for exposing minor name, exposing a minor in this, exposing a minor in that, because you know I've done it already. But now you never see say something like this you shouldn't do. But because the school reach out now and having a problem, you understand. You should have sit down and stand up and walk about and do everything long time. But you understand.
Looking for help for their children. It is a legit cause. However, Lorraine contacted the school in an attempt to get the principal of the school and the teacher of the school to call and say, oh, it's a scam and blah, blah, blah. It is not a scam. They just want the letters with the other student's name taken down for privacy reasons. And that's totally understandable. All right? They just don't want the other student's name posted on the internet, which I totally understand. So I have removed those letters. But Lorraine Campbell was trying to make it seem like it's a scam. It is not a scam. The mothers were allowed, the mothers are
Yeah,
allowed
cry,
to
your
come
turn,
out
cry,
and
cry,
seek
baby.
help for their children. Lorraine Campbell, however, has other intentions. And
So how you so big and bold to come out now a clear name? I try to clear your name and straighten things because you don't know what Lorraine is coming with next, you know. You understand? Because the previous video, I got to understand that Lorraine stated she's going to call the school and she got fly come to Jamaica if probably she can't get no good answers. Which we know, nobody pass probably not run now. Probably the last one that she did get the last time when she fly. So I saw me she have to drive go to Canada what day. You understand? Because you know so hot and talk about no drive go to Canada. Uno alone at that, you know. You don't even have a second co-pilot or somebody else to say if you drop asleep or so them can talk you out and wake you up, or you know a co-driver we can drive halfway and you drive the next half. You alone take up yourself. But because you know so a frig you gonna frig Bob. You know? I left you left America gonna frig Bob, you know. You understand? So you never want a second person because the expense I got too high to put up the person anyway. You have to go put them up. So you drive you alone, go freak Bob, and go on like you're smart. Why you never fly? I want to so up and at and hype and talk about no have money. You should have fly, man. You shouldn't drive. But anyway, Lorraine says she either go fly come here or whatsoever. And me hear that she has done another live based on what she has said also. That she just come off for her live prior to doing this live. And as she come on for the live, she hear that Lorraine was on her live again. So that seems like a separate live from the one where she said she had to call the school. I don't sure. And here she trying to reach out to teacher and principal and whatsoever. So she come back immediately, come and do a live for make you aware and prepare of anything where Lorraine I go come say or do. That's what she are doing. So she a race Lorraine.
She called the school.
This
She's
is
not
so
no
nice.
lady, but she called the school to try to find out why is it that monies were coming to me and not to the school. That's Lorraine's agenda. Lorraine's agenda is she wants to find out why monies were coming to me and monies were not going to the school directly. The parents are allowed to go out there and look for funding on their own behalf, which is totally fine. The only issue that the school has is with the letters out there of the kids. That's the issue. The letters with the names of the kids and stuff like that. That's the only thing the school has an issue with. So I am posting this video just for public knowledge, just for transparency purposes, to let you know that the only issue that the teacher has with the letter.
So alright. Along this way, you want to help these kids. Alright? Fine, nothing wrong with that. Because me say each one help one. If you can help somebody, you give $1, me give $1, me give $1. It's easier for us to reach $1 million than want somebody to take it up. A man can able wish me always soon come up on a platform, even you do it about you not donate and no for no hungry and want the money right now. And some of the family this. Come on. Come on. Somebody in need. Yes, me might in need too, but this person might in need more than me. Right? I can afford to contribute a $5 or a $10. And when these people stay within their means, who can send a $5 or $10 or a $20 or a $25, who come out like they are suffering. These people have the kind heart to give back. And if they can give what they can afford, a $5 or $10 or $15 or a $20 or a $25 or a $30, kudos to them. Just like the man who can give 100, 200, 300, kudos to him too. You understand me? I say to you, when you come out and bash these people, say them broke and hungry, look, they have $5, them I give $10, them I give $20. Just like how the girl come out and say, if I have $1, send it, you jump up. No, don't tell them send no $1. And the girl say, yes. If everybody can send $1 and 20, somebody send $1, 20,000 that. You understand me? I say to you? And a 12,000 we want. So no bash those people who send them liquor where them can't afford to send. And say they're hungry. So if me there, so no one, yes, blow, oh, yes, man. I live in a rent house and I can afford to pay my rent, but at the same time, I want a house myself, but I can't buy it right here now. Somebody live out a door. Or somebody live in a house where want 2 sheets of zinc. Because every time rain fall, there's a problem. And I can afford to give that person a sheet of zinc. So I can't buy a house, I shouldn't give you the sheet of zinc. I can afford to give the sheet of zinc. I am living comfortable, paying rent. It's just that I cannot afford to buy a house for myself right now. But that must stop me from assist somebody who not living comfortable and need a sheet of zinc to cover them roof so water not come in upon them and probably them kids. And when people come out and reach out, when criticize them, say them not have nothing, but them are donate. You understand? How much of these people reach out to these kids who probably don't have nothing either. But them still reach out because they already cost. And they reach out and give what they can afford to give. You understand? But you see, life, we only look on life one way. And that one way is to suit ourselves. It's not in general. It's just to suit ourselves.
The only issue that the teacher has is that the kids' names are out there on the letter. So I have done my thing and removed the letter with the kids' names on it. But it is, just to let you guys know that, do not allow Lorraine to bamboozle you into foolishness,
5,700 in
right?
total.
Lorraine has her own agenda. She doesn't care for the children. She doesn't care, but it is a real cause. The kids, the parents are just out looking for funding for their kids. The only issue with with this whole thing is that they didn't want the letter with the kids' names out there, and that's totally understandable. That's totally understandable. So what I did,
Understandable. So what about somebody sanctioning some discipline where he's concerned in asking these parents of these kids to have them lawyer write you? Whatever violation it is, I can't say, but I guess this is a violation. Yes, whatever it is, I can't say, but as you know, the lawyer can't go in and book. Look behind me, you see behind me? Remember the lawyer, them book stand long from here, so go way down there, so them can't just go so. Rule 23 of the law of children. Oh, this book, and him draw out the book, whoops, and him just chop, 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 chop. And right away, him find the case where him can bring against you. Or would you like people to come out now and sanction these parents to do this? Like, oh, you come out, both adult involvement, you sanction people for sue people, and if kids involved, you sanction people for sue people for the kids them, the parents them for sue people for them kids. You saw lifestyle? Human being, man.
yeah, I didn't delete it.
Especially phone race. I'm sorry, I
So
never
what
ban
I
Chinese
did,
every day.
I
I say that.
removed the letter
I
with
told me say
the other
China live
kids'
good, boy.
names
I tell
from
you.
off the internet, which is
If
totally
we
fine
black people they
because we
just
have to
live as
protect the
good as how
kids
Mr.
too.
China live,
I
would have
posted the
far
letter
better
in
off in a life. May I tell you? Anyway, they just live good as how Mr. China live.
exactly, Janice.
Things that are
Parents
nice
ask for
with our
help
race.
for their children.
Cause would I look
If
out
you're
for one
familiar
another,
with this
each one
track
help
meet,
one.
I have helped John Mills before in the past, and it's parents. Parents have all the rights to ask for help for their children. This is a legit cause. I'm just letting you guys know that it is legit. It is a legit cause, and the parents have a
Yeah,
right to
plea.
ask.
Yeah,
Lorraine is
plea.
just inserting herself in something, adding another narrative to something. What we're doing is nothing new by looking for funding for these parents. It's nothing new. Lorraine is just trying to add her own agenda and trying to stir up strife and drama. She's not donating anything.
Is this something new? Is this something new to you? Lorraine is trying to stir up drama. Is it something new to you? She's not donating anything. Is this something new to you? Is it something new to you? I don't think so. When you used to over there and I talk up your things them, and you're in there and I talk up your things them, you never know say it's not nothing new to you. It's just Lorraine that you never know that. You never know that. You never know that. But now the shoes they on for your foot, you know that. Now the shoes they on for your foot, you know that. It's nothing new. It's nothing new. So I don't know why you think it is new to you. When you know long time it's not new to you. I the same Lorraine, you know. Where you join hands and heart together, you know. Reinforce, you know. But it's true. On steel or hollow steel, it couldn't withstand the Planka Nation and Donna Marie go. So up till now, after 5 years, we still can't tear down the wall of Planka Shop. You understand? We still can't even shake the wall of Planka Shop. That will have to start depend on natural nature, earthquake. As a earthquake shake. Uno call 99 name and 99 house and this and that and all kind of things you know have to say when natural disaster. Because who can't shake planka shop.
She's not doing anything. She's just stirring up strife. This is something that's done on a regular basis whenever these kids are going overseas. Nothing like that. She's just losing her mind. She's trying to get these teachers involved in drama on social media by calling the schools, having the teachers.
She's losing her mind now. Sometime last year. Even before last year, but you wasn't a member at the time, but you was a supporter of all that she's going on with. Because she was against 99 and you is also against 99. So you were a supporter of whatever she have been doing. Until you figure more or less, okay, I have to get a bit closer to this camp, you know, so I can ignite some more. And you go over, you play your role, you play your part behind the scene, in the comment, pan phone, off phone, you play your part until you have a fallout. You understand? The fallout come by the way of the same thing will make you have up 99 in yourself because you feel like you should be the only baker. The only baker that cannot supply any form of demands of the public. Because you don't have the capacity, you don't have the financial resources. Why do you see you say you bake pudding for Mother's Day? And the shine pan where you do the mixture in is one of the smaller shine pan to 99 shine pan you should do fair one in. And when me see you have it on the counter, I have to tip up for look down in it. See me here, people? When I time I jar one bucket stand up and I try to look down in the shine pan to see what in there. Because the amount of butter we in there, I can't see it. I can't stand up naturally and I have 5 foot wall heap. And I can't stand up to see the butter. I have to tip up so. And so I have to tip up to see the butter. And at 99 she want to run competition with. So because Cracker Teeth come out and say she got end up bait now. And most of the support, because she's smart too, you know. This girl, she not educated, you know, she just kind of smart. What she do? She joined forces with Cracker Teeth. Cake season was coming up. So she joined forces with Cracker Teeth because she wants some of Cracker Teeth supporters to come over to support her cake business. So when it come down to DD and crunch time, and Cracker Teeth announced that she got bake, all hell broke loose. Yes, man. When it come in near down to crunch time for baking to start, and Cracker Teeth announced that she got bake and start bake, that's how the feelings gone up in her stomach. You understand what I say to you? Because she want to be the only baker. And then she make it look like, okay, a people are try to stop her food. How much baker your band come see and still a bake now? How much people they bake long before you start bake? Them still a bake now. It's not a problem to them. So why enter anybody in any circle? You know, say if the man that own HTB, they jealous of a national. When he must sell out HTB, he want to sell national. The man that own Yummy, if he be jealous of a national, when he must sell Yummy, he want to sell national. He would have probably prefer crash the business and know that the name just go down and bury. But what? He never business. We're into a world of competition where business is concerned. You understand? That only can good for consumers. Competition where business is concerned, the fittest of the fittest survive, the best of the best. The more hard worker, the more best thinker, the best supportive person financially. Because in certain business, if you don't have financial support, you can't put out the production. You understand? And that is your problem. You don't have the financial support to improve your business and enhance your business. Your business is at one level from the day you start. Sometimes it even go back way. And then now, you feel as if it's people is your problem when it's you are your problem, T-girl. So I'd write this so, you catch a jealous now and you and her fall out. But remember over there, they try to bring down 99.
Talk to her about that. I don't know what she's doing. This is a common... Parents looking for funding is a common thing. looking for funding is a common thing. You understand me? I am familiar with it. There are parents out there who are familiar with it. You understand me? The kids are also great students, very great students. It's just that the parents cannot afford to attend this trap meet. That's all it is. All it is that the parents can't afford for their kids to attend the trap meet. That's all it is, right? Lorraine, however, wants to turn this into something bigger by creating drama and adding drama to this very good cause. She's just trying to get the teachers mixed up in her foolishness. The only issue the school has is with the letters, with the names of the students in the letters, on the letters, the names of the other students, and I have removed the names of the other students. All right, but the parents.
Have you issued a public apology to the parents? If it was 99 case for you, a public apology would not accept it. You would want to see a lawsuit because you want to see 99 drugged so bad in whatever way she can be drugged. So a public apology, you would not accept that. You'd want to see a lawsuit. But we ask you now, just remove the kids, the document from your whatsoever, which it is done out there already. Me have it in my phone, other people have it, we have it published and show it. So the damage has already done. There is nothing else can happen. The damage is already done. You remove it, it is still out there. So I am saying, do you offer a public apology to these parents and the kids? No, I don't think so.
Case, no, you did not bingo, and no, the money is still not going in your pocket. It went into my pocket, which I'm going to forward to the parents. It didn't go into your pocket. And to anybody from John Mills who's watching this,
all we are going, you know, I fret and I worry, you know, what is the next move? Because you know our friend is very dangerous, you know, in fabricating and setting up people, you know, to make people look bad, you know. And she, you know, look like she have a thick skin. She's not like a 99 who have a leather skin. You understand? I remember you go through the knife, so after, you know, a doctor, you know. So right now your skin and your pigment kind of thin. So cracker teeth can easily bore through your skin. So you come out and you rush and you plead to the public and you plead to your audience not to accept anything that you come out here and say. You're running a race. Yes, man. You find yourself on the other side of the fence. You understand? Back then you would be cheering her on. But now your back is against the wall. So basically, you know what it is like.
no, I am not a scammer. Please do not feed into the nonsense that Lorraine Campbell is doing. She couldn't crack the code when Donna Gow did her $30,000 GoFundMe. She didn't crack the code.
This is not about Donna Go, you know. This is not about 99, you know. This is not about Planka and Planka Nation, you know. But 8 stage, she have to get Planka Nation involved. You were helping her trying to crack the code. And the code can't crack. It's a master code. A honest code. You understand? So when you come out and you call 99 name, it's just the same way, you know, when them they just kick off everything back and forth, 99, back and forth, 99, back and forth. Remember, I don't have no beef, you know. Dan I no butcher, you know. I don't have no beef. Dan I no come for butcher, no beef. But 8 still, you have no beef. And it's like a 99, you know, I see the pan with the knife. You know, them butcher when them have a little shine something and them pan chick, a sharp me knife, you got butcher. I found the beef. 99 don't want to be no butcher in no beef. So when you go back and forth with one another, don't have 99 name a card back and forth. So in everything, as so powerful 99 is, as so much strength she have, that you have to use her a cuss on one another. You know, try to bring her down, but at the same time, you know, use her a cuss on one another. It's so powerful she is.
There, but she's trying to crack the code with $1,200, all because she was blocked from my page in 2023. So it has unfortunately left her bitter. She's vindictive. She's deranged. She's all over the place trying to trying to act like she's like breaking some code. Please don't listen to her. It's a lie. She's just trying to add her drama to the thing of the letters because
Why?
it's a privacy concern for the school, which I totally understand. But the letters were there just to prove to the school that, prove to you guys, the donors, that it is a legit cause. It is legit. It is legit. And even
You could have
all of
marked
this
out the pity
drama,
them
the
name, the rest of
positive
pity them
about
name.
all of this
Them
drama
never
is to
ask if
show
you not
you
help.
that it is legit. Because if it
And you go
wasn't
public with
legit,
the
you
pity
would have
them
heard
name.
something a long time ago. So to Lorraine Campbell and friends, thank you. Thank you very much, Lorraine Campbell and friends, for
Boy,
drawing
breeze, I blow off the
even
whole like
more
little last
attention
crap of the East Indian them people. Be a
because
green
you
man going
have
on tree.
contributed to you gotta add. All right, the parent is gonna come on. Thank you, Lorraine. Thank you.
You
You
don't feel
have
good
done
in
your
yourself.
work
Cause no
to
matter where the
prove me
parents come
even
say,
more honest
Lorian still a
by
go take the
saying
hammer
that
and beat the nail, beat the
this
nail, beat the
situation
nail till
is
she
very
gets sitting
legit.
in somebody's
Thank
head.
you very much, Lorraine. You have this is
Cause that
how
is
this
Lorian.
is
And as me
why
say,
you
your skin not thick.
yes, miss.
Your skin not thick.
The man
She
not
have the
give you
parents
personal
on the line.
number.
This is
The
the
man not
one
even
that
want
she
give
always have
Tina
on the
him
line.
personal number. It's him personal number. I supposed to look the sponsor. It's not from the school and me to look my sponsor. So we are going to talk about, oh, they're going to talk about them, I'm going to send you a letter, all right? Wait for the letter, the letter soon come. Wait. You're going to get the letter. Just wait for the letter to come. Wait, you soon get it, so wait for the letter. I you know I'm just upset, boy. You know I'm just call about the school, come here up and I like every information when me and them, somebody up at the school is a snake, is a Lorraine fan. I don't know who in the meeting. Everything when me just talk about in the meeting, me hear the woman with it on her life. So I just called back up at the school a while ago. And I said, listen to me. Who got the woman there, whatever. Come on, know who in there, come on, know who in there, and give them people information. Because just like I explain to them, say, listen, see here. Because them are going to say, me sure if I all of the money me get. Me say, every dollar she show me.
Oh, you mean? Every dollar she show you. You know who you are dealing with, man? Just tell the public say you get where you request and you are comfortable. Don't come out here come say you get every dollar. You know who is T-Girl? T-Girl is a girl who risk her and our kids them at loan for transport. People like them there will do anything. And if it's easier for she, we just go and say, okay, donate to this little girl. She want to go to a trap meet in Miami. Yes, and she need $1,200 and she get 50 times $1,200. And she can say, all right, I got 200 extra, so I'm giving you the 14. And she sweet up you. You now look for see how much more she get. Because you get the 12 what you want and 2 on it. So right away she take that and blindfold you. See it, you see the pin, you go stick it on the donkey tail. See it, you see the pin, you go stick it on the donkey tail. She blindfold you a long time. Go and go stick the pin on the donkey tail. Because what? You get the 12 what you want and 2 on it. So you're not busy with another 4 times what she get. What she not show you. Plus, whatever she show you can be altered. We're living now in modern times. We're living now in technology world. And if you don't understand that, go question somebody. We are living in a technology world. And Tina come out on her platform and say, she a Jamaican. She know it. She know what to do. She know how to do this and how to do that. What more you want? Eh? This is somebody who have a mindset of being a fraudster, a criminal and everything, you know. Oh. Into my phone, I'm show them. The lady give me every dollar. And it's in my phone. So we're there. So these people have to have a mindset that they get more than what we're supposed to get. Yes. Yes. Find the money. Yes. No, she feel happy when the woman you talking to, like she feel like this clear anything. This not clear nothing. Crocketeek gone jogger from now till the morning, right across the ocean. You better crane a shark now out there. You no run it, but you don't know who you are dealing with and who you are mixed up with. Because she help you 2015, okay. And you
That
have
young man
one
go
side of
sit
you.
down, man. Think everybody about scamming. Scam. Come on, man. You know, say me come onto my picnic them, and I run joke with me. Say I come sit here and chatting for phone. When they come onto my picnic, and I run joke. And I see my face. Someone else big, and I run joke with people. When they come onto my picnic them.
Anyway, speak my mind family. Wanna tell me what you think in the comment section. Me not have nothing more to say. Me just want the cracky teeth video now to hear what is going on. And whatever transpire when she make the call and who she talk to. Despite you don't know, we know bullshit from crap. We know nonsense from good sense. So we don't run out here with any or anything, but at the same time, sometimes we just play these things, to expose the people who once affiliated to them one another. Trying to do the same thing that is reaching he or she now with someone else. This is why most time we bring these things to other people. Just to show how life set up and how human being can be. You understand? These are the same set of people who once affiliated, trying to tear down 99. They're separated now and they're doing the same thing against them one another. And the accused pretend as if she never know the person who she had deal with from before. You understand? She just know her now because we are reach her. The same thing did I reach 99 and other people where she try to tear down. Other kids where she try to tear down. Shanae Bow, Urian Miller and other people where she try to tear down. This is a person who go length and breadth to even send people go to a student's college to investigate. I remember she now have nothing to get out of this. She now have no win-win out of this. Because nothing where she find out or come with won't stop the Planka Nation from donating to her the cost when it come on to Planka shop. So what were she going to gain from it? Just within her little circle, her handful of people say, oh, see them never gone to school, see them did this, see them did that, wait. Nothing you never gain and you go through all of that and you were a part of all of that. So now when you feel something burn you and you feel like say boy you want hot marble stone you sit down pan and never know say a fire sit down pan. I lie you tell you know a fire head against long time. Anyway, speak my mind people, you know what to do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels. Life is a Mission TV. If you have not yet If you have not yet subscribed to that channel, please go ahead and subscribe now. And remember, up in the community, me are begging of people. Trust me, let me down last week, but that's how it go. I can't have it my own way at all times. Now we have to just accept that in life. Last week, trust me, I don't think I get 2 subscriptions out of the 10 when I beg each week for Tamika Douglas for in the community. When I post Tamika Douglas TV YouTube channel and Life with Gabby and Chevy YouTube channel in the community, in the comment section pin. Feel miserable last week. God bless if I get 2 subscribers for each one of them. So the new week start today, which is Wednesday. When I see that video here Thursday morning, me I beg you, do. See if we can rack up even 15 then this week. So who not subscribe yet, go and go subscribe. Tamika Douglas TV, Life with Gabby and Chevy. You understand? Bless upon yourself and the cash up pin down there, you know what? For already cost. If you not bless me, as you not ask the cash up, if you not bless me bless back somebody. Alright? So bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. All the new subscribers. Stand firm, hold on your faith, be a part of the family. I want to know what they do. I want to get to hear what is they do and know what is they do. So just do they do. Big up on yourself. Stay strong. All of my lovelies, you know yourself. Negreta, Scotty, Nicole, Deborah. Me can't even start calling them. Miss P, Wagwan. Alright. Now I call them more name because nobody get jealous because I have everything in my head. And time I call out the road call, I have to have the book. I just have a few on top of the head, you know? Bless up. I'm out. Stay tuned for the continuation. Because I'm going to search the Lorraine part.